I have just made it to Vietnam. I'm in Ho Chi Minh City. This is my first time here, and man, I'm so excited. I just got off the bus. I did a bus from Cambodia, Phnom Penh to Ho Chi Minh City. It was about a 6.5 hour, 7-hour drive. But yeah, guys, this is a brand new country for me, and I am so excited to be here. Super excited. As you can see, I have all my luggage with me, and I'm walking to my hotel. I gotta actually exchange some money, and gotta exchange some money, get a SIM card. But first, I think I'll walk to my hotel, get settled in, drop off my luggage, and yeah, come out and get a SIM card, exchange money, and get some food. I think I'm about 80%. I did have food poisoning in Phnom Penh, but man, check that out. I'm already loving this. Yeah, I did have food poisoning in Phnom Penh. If you saw my previous video, I was pretty much in bed for at least 2 days. But yeah, here I am in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Okay guys, I am back. I checked into the hotel. It was kind of hard to find. It was in a little alley, but I am on my way to the SIM card place, to Viettel, to get a SIM card here for Vietnam. But first, I actually need to find a exchange money place or a gold shop, a jewelry gold shop where you can exchange money. It feels so cool to be here in a new country, especially in Vietnam and Saigon. So I gotta find a gold shop, then head to the phone shop. Let's see, or exchange shop, money exchange shop. I want to try some food or go somewhere and eat and sit down and eat, but I literally have no Vietnamese dong. This place looks like a pretty cool spot. Banh mi, Saigon. Yeah, I gotta try the banh mi's. Yeah, let's try to cross over here. Is this how they do it? I guess this is. I guess that's how they do it. Okay, gold shop or exchange, money exchange shop, currency exchange place. Yeah, I'm loving this city already, guys. It's so cool to be here. Oh man. Yeah, it was about a 7-hour drive in that bus from Phnom Penh to Ho Chi Minh City. The bus stopped about 3 times, 2 bathroom breaks and 1, I guess, like a lunch break. Yeah, it felt pretty quickly. It felt pretty fast. No complaints. Look at all these motorcycles. Very interesting. Okay, let's see if there is a money exchange place around here. I'll try to find this money exchange place, and then I'll catch up with you guys. Okay, I am back. I did get a SIM card by Viettel. It was around a little under $6 for 30 days for 45 gigs total for 30 days. And now I'm in the Vien walking street. Not sure if I'm saying that right, but I guess it's like the main street. So yeah, here I am in the Vien walking street. It looks like we got a lot of bars over there. We got some food, alcohol. No, thank you. No, thank you.
Oh, sometimes.
No, thank you. No, sorry, sir. Thank you. Let's walk down here and see, maybe we can find something to eat. Shoes are gonna get dirty anyways.
Rồi, mang về là bãi mang.
Yeah. Let's see if there's something good to eat around here. It's just amazing to be walking in a brand new country. And that country is Vietnam. It's Ho Chi Minh City. Isn't that pretty awesome? I'm just in disbelief that I'm here. I'm so happy to be here. I keep saying that, but man, it's true, guys. I'm just so glad to be here. 30,000 grilled meat sandwich. I'm gonna shop around, look around for some food and see what looks good. Cross over this little alley here. $30,000 Vietnamese dong. I'm thinking a chicken noodle soup, or beef pork noodles good too, or a banh mi for our first dinner here in Ho Chi Minh, Saigon, Vietnam. I guess this is like a little popular, busy street. And all of a sudden, it's so easy to find currency exchange. I was looking, oh yeah, about that. I was looking everywhere. I walked around for at least 40 minutes trying to find something, and I couldn't find anything. So we got a little bar restaurant here. We got some Vietnamese, Mexican food, Thai food. A little bit of everything. Some sugarcane juice. Thank you. I see some restaurants down there. Massage parlors. Little bar areas. I'm gonna walk back down here. See, that looks good, but I kind of want to sit down somewhere. Let's find somewhere to sit and eat. We got these towers. No, sir, thank you. Let's see if there's anything cool down this little alley. We got massage places. This one seems okay, a little quiet, which is fine. Chicken and mushroom soup, that might be good. Beef chicken noodle soup. $156. Still think it's not terrible for a sit-down restaurant.
They cut you off? And there was a lot of writing, but I didn't know much.
65,000. Hello. Sitting down at a noodle soup shop, and I'm gonna try some noodles here in a second. It's kind of a quiet place, so I gotta keep it down a little bit. Alright, so decided to try some chicken Vietnamese noodle soup since I'm still kind of not 100% from the food poisoning in Siem Reap, in Phnom Penh. So a chicken noodle soup will hit just right. Oh yeah, and I'm at this little restaurant place. It was about 65 Vietnamese dong. Good price, I guess, for a little sit-down restaurant. Not too bad. Can still find cheaper, but I didn't mind. But yeah, guys, waiting for my food now. Oh yeah, there it is, guys. Chicken noodle soup. I'm gonna eat this. This is gonna be good. Okay, I just finished eating that soup, that chicken noodle soup. It was very good. Much needed for the stomach after that food poisoning. I'm walking down here by Hoi Vien walking street, and I'll do a full nightlife video. Actually, I just wanted to. No, thank you. Gonna walk through the street for a little bit. Just gonna walk and see what this is all about, guys. We got tattoo shops. Obviously, we got our bars. We got a 7-Eleven. Volcano. That place looks like it gets very busy later on at night. It's pretty busy right now. Yeah, good place, good street to party and relax, and I hate to say it, but hey, if you want to get drunk, this is the place to get drunk, if you know what I mean. Look at all this. Just imagine how much, just imagine how crazy it gets here at night. Wild, huh? Now this is Ho Chi Minh City. This is Vietnam. Oh yeah, I love Vietnam already. I might have to come out and get a cocktail or a beer. I'm not sure I'm ready though with the recent food poisoning. But it's been 3 days from what I've read. You should avoid it for 48 hours and obviously, use your own judgment. And I feel pretty good. Yeah, I'm just speechless, guys. This is a whole new world. This is madness. Wild. That's really loud. Now just imagine how loud it gets at night when everything actually opens up and people start to come out. It's crazy. Now this is the big Asian city vibes that I pictured. sit down bar. Yeah, this is good. This is gonna be good. I'll be here for at least a week, so be exploring different areas of different districts of Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City area. We got some rooftop bars and rooftop restaurants and bars. Waikiki. That looks like a cool place to sit down in the evening, drink a cold one after a long day, especially in this heat. Yeah, why not? Grab yourself over here and go to a rooftop bar. It's madness out here, and it's not even nighttime yet. Crazy. Let's actually go this way. What do we have here? We got a little seafood setup. Looks like some seafood soup. This is cool. Wow, look at that over there. That looks good. Alright. Well guys, just wanted to take you down a quick tour down this street and first impressions of Ho Chi Minh City, also known as Saigon, Vietnam. It's cool, I love it. It's gonna be a fun series here in Vietnam and a fun start here in Ho Chi Minh City. Just looking over, they got some kind of event going on. But yeah guys, if you like this video, please give it a like. Make sure you subscribe if you are liking my videos. It would really help me out a lot and I would greatly appreciate it. I will see you in the next one for more Vietnam videos.